So far, we've heard how long COVID led to strong evidence that infections can cause these lingering symptoms. But now, I want to turn to another really interesting piece of research, a project called DecodeME. It's been analysing the DNA, so that's the genetic code, of people with ME to see if some of us are born more susceptible. Lead researcher Professor Chris Ponting told me what they found.
What we've done is like develop a treasure map. We found in DecodeME there are 8 different places across our chromosomes that on average are different between people with ME. So we need to ask others to go ahead and dig for the treasure to find out what it is these genetic differences mean. So there are 2 main signals that come through in general. And the first is that the nervous system seems to be a strong contributor. And the immune system also contributes. What we are not saying is that there is a single gene or a single letter change in our DNA that absolutely would tell us whether or not someone has ME or not. It is about slight changes in risk as to whether someone will have an ME diagnosis.
What does it mean if you're carrying any of these areas of your genetic code that predispose you to a higher risk of ME? How certain is it that you would then get ME?
It's a small shift in the relative likelihood of someone having ME or not. And the value really isn't that we can go to the individual and tell them whether they have ME or not. The value comes from us, I think, in this project, lighting a path down which the field of ME can now travel. They know now where to begin to look for these causal genes. And that is incredibly helpful, I think, in a disease such as ME,